After the popcorn chicken episode, here's another super Taiwanese dish of chicken and Thai basil. Hello everyone, I'm Joel. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how do I make 3-cup chicken from scratch. Prepare 40 grams of garlic, 20 grams of sliced red chili pepper, 30 grams of sliced old ginger, and 800 grams of boneless chicken thigh cut into bite-sized pieces. Season the chicken pieces with a quarter of a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. Mix well. Heat the pan. And add 15 grams of cooking oil. Add the garlic and sliced old ginger. Fry until they turn slightly brown. Remove the fried ingredients and set aside. Heat the pan again until the oil ripples. Add the chicken thigh pieces and pan fry them until they turn slightly brown on the surface. Add 15 grams of sugar and stir fry until they melt. Add the previously fried ginger and garlic. Keep stir frying. Pour in 30 grams of soy sauce, 30 grams of rice wine, and 15 grams of sesame oil. Continue to stir fry until the chicken is colored. Pour in 60 grams of drinking water. Cover the pan and simmer for 5 minutes. After the sauce boils, reduce to medium heat. Add the sliced red chili pepper and 40 grams of Thai basil leaves. Stir fry until the sauce thickens. Then it's ready to serve. Let's quickly review the cooking process. Fry the ginger and garlic until golden brown. Add sesame oil at the end to avoid bitterness when seasoning. Ensure the sauce has thickened before removing from heat. That's how I make 3-cup chicken from scratch. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. See you next time. Ciao.